In a world without GPS, navigation becomes a thrilling challenge. First, learn to read a map. It's an art lost in the digital age, but in a world gone dark, it's a lifeline. Understand grid references, symbols, and contours. Second, master the compass. It's more than just north, south, east, and west. Learn to set a bearing, follow it, and adjust for magnetic declination. Third, familiarize yourself with natural navigation. The sun and stars, the behavior of plants and animals, even the wind and the clouds can guide your way if you know how to read them. Last but not least, remember the cardinal rule of survival navigation. Always know where you are before you start moving. It's better to stay put and wait for rescue than to wander aimlessly and risk getting more lost. Stay sharp, stay safe, and keep exploring. This is your survival guide to navigating without GPS. Remember, knowledge is your greatest ally.